Today we're unboxing the Hauck Pet Stroller. It is a great stroller. It comes quite secure in a double box and all the materials are well secured in the box itself. It is easy to assemble. It comes with 6 pieces including the stroller. All you really need to do is snap on the front wheel, which is quite easy to do. And then once you're done with that, you flip over the carriage, you attach the actual brake as well, and then just snap on the wheels. And once that's all done, all you have to do is turn it over and it's there. The materials are high quality materials. As you can see, you can zipper and fasten the front part and basically pull it back if you needed to. And if you wanted, you can also have 3 levels of the actual bar itself. So if you have a taller or shorter person, you can adjust the stroller bar. And then basically, if you wanted to have the pet go from the back, you can do that as well. It has a secure front, it has rubber wheels, and you also have a small area for storage, plus the fact that it comes with a brake. And when it comes to putting it away, it's quite easy to do. You basically bend it back, and then all you do is move the front forward, and there's a fastener that holds it in place that allows you to take this and put it into your closet or storage area. It doesn't take a lot of space at all, as you can see from here, and it's easy to carry. So if you wanted to put this in the back of your car, you can also do that as well. So take a look, see what you think. And here you have little Ms. Sophie enjoying the stroller outside and enjoying the wind and being able to have a nice, lovely stroll. So as you can see, she's enjoying herself, and hopefully your pet will be able to enjoy this wonderful stroller that has a lot of functionality and durability.